How fracking is hurting our environment and leading to major geological issues. What is fracking? Fracking, also known as hydraulic fracturing, is a process used in the oil mining business to be able to extract as much oil and gas from the locations being used. Although this may sound good at first, the process of it can be very harmful to the environment and can lead to greater environmental issues as well as incite possible natural disasters. How is fracking done? Fracking is done by funneling fluid below the surface until it reaches sedimentary rock. It starts by drilling vertically into the earth until you reach a distance close enough to the sedimentary rock. This is where natural gas and oil can be found. Once this destination is reached, you begin drilling horizontally and create gaps for your fracking fluid to get into. After this, you begin to release fluid into your drilled passages at an extremely high pressure. Finally, your oil and gas should release itself and eventually reach the surface, where it is then collected and brought to treatment centers. So, now you may be asking, why is this bad for the environment? First, the fluid used in fracking contains many chemicals that are harmful to both plants and humans. According to the NRDC, the EPA identified 1,084 different chemicals used in fracking liquids between 2005 and 2013. Due to this, the liquid is considered extremely unsafe for humans as well as wildlife. Why would we continue to inject a liquid that is known to be unsafe into our environment and ground? This liquid could then seep into our groundwater as well as leak into our streams and rivers and be transported long distances without the public even knowing. According to Yale School of Public Health, fracking also creates a large amount of greenhouse gases, which we know are harmful to our environment, as well as damage habitats for both plants and animals. Now you may be asking, what does fracking have to do with natural disasters? Studies have shown that fracking has led to earthquakes in the western part of Canada. According to PBS.com, geophysicist at the University of Calgary, David Eaton, showcased that earthquakes were always during or immediately after fracking was occurring in a specific area. This is caused by the pressure buildup that happens when injecting the fracking fluid deep into the earth at such a high rate. This pressure buildup causes the tectonic plates to shift and slip, which can lead to an earthquake. Most studies show that these earthquakes were small enough where significant damage did not occur, but an earthquake reached the magnitude of 4.6. As seen in the graph, Oklahoma, a common location for fracking and similar processes such as water disposal, has seen an increase in earthquakes since 2009, and is believed to be from these processes. Obviously, this can't continue, because if it does, sooner or later, a larger natural disaster will happen because of this. Here is my works cited.